all the machines have an unloader on it. And this fact, it's in the back, and that's going to adjust your flow. You can see how far the pump is away from the motor. More maintenance, of course. You've got to keep your belts tight. That black hose, the reason it's attached to that machine, that is a mark. That'll mark on your concrete. So when you drag, after you just clean the concrete, you drag your hose in, you're like, crap. You got your F9, right, for your rust. This is a degreaser as well. Good thing about that actually has a bleach in it. Groundskeeper is actually for restoration of bad concrete. The staining and sealing wood, if you're going to get after that, there's wood bright or neutralizer, safe stain sealing. So there's all kinds of things out there for protection. I didn't go into earmuffs. If you're pressure washing, you might want to consider it. You definitely will. You'll have some hearing loss, right? That motor running all the time.